granted them permission in time when they showed their loyalty to eat of that tree. But they did it behind his back. In disobedience they did it. So they had to pay the price. And it says, Behold, and now lest he put forth his hand and also take of the tree of life and eat and live forever. There was another tree in the middle of the garden. It was called the tree of life. Therefore the Lord God sent him forth from the garden to till the ground from which he was taken. Going back there in verse 22, lest he put forth his hand and also take of the tree of life and eat and live forever. You see, this was the reward for obedience, that he could eat from a tree of life which would sustain their bodies, which would repair their cells from any damage or aging that we go through. And he could live forever if he was obedient, because of God's love. He loves his obedient creatures, and he's not going to cast them off. That's why it's so important to remain loyal to God above all else. So he drove out the man, and he placed at the east of the Garden of Eden cherubim with a flaming sword, which turned every way to keep the way of the tree of life. No one could reach in to grab from the tree of life. There was angels and a flaming sword that turned every way, so no one could get near that tree of life and eat and live forever. But in the book of Revelation, the very last book in the Bible, we see that God grants permission to those who are worthy to eat of that tree of life. And we'll learn about these things next time.